Arm hair removal. Shave arm and finger hair with razor. Apply a layer of gel that is the thickness of a coin on one arm. Select the filter of your choice and install, and put on protective eyewear for both the customer and the operator. Adjust energy, temperature, depth, skin tone, treatment area, hair thickness, and press start. Higher energy level, better effects, and deeper layer it reaches. More snowflakes, lower temperature. Device operation. Slide slowly from upper arm to lower arm. A warm feeling is expected during the process. For those with thick hair, a slight tingling feeling is expected. Slide 3 to 5 times on each treatment area. Scrape off the gel and clean with tissue. Apply gel evenly on the fingers. Device operation. Move around the entire treatment area using stamp technique 3 to 5 times. Make sure the probe is in full contact with the skin. Scrape off the gel and clean with tissue. Underarm hair removal. Shave underarm hair with razor. Apply a layer of gel that is the thickness of a coin on one underarm. Device operation. Move around the underarm firstly using stamp technique, then slide 2 to 3 times, covering the entire treatment area. Use cold compress on the treatment area for 10 minutes if little red dots appear, which should disappear on their own in 1 to 2 days. Scrape off the gel and clean with tissue. Leg hair removal. Shave leg and toe hair with razor. Apply a layer of gel that is the thickness of a coin on one leg. Select the filter of your choice and install. Device operation. Move the probe slowly downwards, covering the entire treatment area. Scrape off the gel and clean with tissue.